If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively.
What if the pharmaceutical industry's biggest secret isn't a pill, but a biological synergy sitting right in your kitchen? Most men are looking for a silver bullet, but they're ignoring the raw data of vascular science. There is a hidden epidemic of vascular decline, and today we are doing a forensic deep dive into the truth. Unsweetened black coffee, raw garlic, and honey. It sounds like a kitchen remedy. The science calls it something else. For decades, we've been told that performance comes from a bottle. But let's look at the investigative evidence. First, the catalyst, unsweetened black coffee. It's not just a morning pick-me-up, it's a powerful vasodilator. Caffeine blocks adenosine, allowing the smooth muscle in the penile arteries to relax. This is the first gate to blood flow. The data doesn't lie. Large-scale studies show a 40% reduction in erectile issues for men who hit the caffeine sweet spot. Then there's the garlic, specifically allicin. This is where the biological controversy begins. Garlic stimulates the enzyme that produces nitric oxide. This is the master messenger of vascular expansion. Without enough nitric oxide, it doesn't matter how hard your heart is pumping, the gateway stays closed. Enter the third pillar, raw honey. This isn't just for sweetness, it's for cellular protection. Honey's antioxidants protect the Leydig cells, the very factories where your body produces testosterone. By stimulating luteinizing hormone, honey provides the signal your body needs to maintain hormonal endurance. But here is the controversy. The market is flooded with royal honey packets that are secretly spiked. These products often contain hidden pharmaceutical drugs. They're dangerous, unregulated, and they hide the truth. We're talking about a pure forensic approach, no shortcuts, just biochemistry. To understand endurance, you have to understand the vascular map. It's all about the pump and the sustain. True endurance is a combination of blood flow and hormonal signal. Coffee starts it, garlic expands it, honey protects it. Now the protocol. You cannot just swallow a garlic clove. You must crush it and wait 10 minutes. That 10-minute window is when the chemical reaction happens. That is when the allicin is born. Mix that crushed garlic with 1 teaspoon of raw, unpasteurized honey. This shields the enzymes. Wash it down with your unsweetened black coffee. No sugar, no cream. Those just interfere with the insulin signal. This synergy provides immediate metabolic energy and long-term vascular dilation. It's a dual-phase system. I know what you're thinking. This sounds difficult. It's supposed to be. Performance isn't found in comfort. We follow a choose-hard lifestyle here. Hard choices today lead to an easy life tomorrow. If you want your body to perform at its peak, you have to give it the raw, technical precursors it needs. Diabetes and insulin resistance are the enemies of blood flow. This protocol helps reset that balance. Don't expect a miracle in 5 minutes. This is about building a vascular foundation over weeks and months. Make it a ritual. Make it a discipline. This is how you reclaim your biology from the pharmaceutical giants. The debate is simple. Do you want a synthetic bandage, or do you want to fix the biological root cause? When your cells are healthy, your performance follows. It's a simple forensic fact of human anatomy. Benefit number 1, sustained vasodilation. This keeps the pathways open and the pressure stable. Benefit 2, protecting your hormonal environment. You're shielding your testosterone from oxidative stress. Benefit 3, raw metabolic drive.
Sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
The caffeine and honey synergy provides fuel that doesn't crash. The truth is, most people will give up because they can't handle the taste or the smell. Don't be most people. Discipline is doing what you hate to get what you love. This protocol is the ultimate test of that. Remember, this works best within the Choose Hard lifestyle. Lifting weights, sleeping early, and cutting the junk. Let's recap the investigative findings and the protocol steps to ensure you lock this in. Step 1. 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened black coffee daily to maintain that vasodilator signal. Step 2. Crush 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic and let them sit for exactly 10 minutes to activate. Step 3. Mix with 1 teaspoon of raw honey and consume. This is your biological shield. The hard choice is to stick to this protocol every single day. The easy result is a body that actually works. We are in a global health crisis. Reclaiming your personal health is the most political act you can perform. Stop waiting for a miracle and start trusting the raw data of your own biochemistry. It's time to perform. If you're ready to choose the hard path and fix your vascular health, join the investigation by subscribing. We're building a community of men who prioritize data over hype. Be part of the change. One last time, the protocol summary to maximize your engagement and results. Take a screenshot. Unsweetened black coffee for smooth muscle relaxation. Do not add sugar. It's the catalyst. Raw garlic, crushed, with a 10-minute activation window for maximum allicin and nitric oxide production. Raw honey to protect your testosterone factories and provide metabolic fuel for the vascular system. Choose hard, live easy. The data is in your hands. Now go out there and execute. This has been an investigative deep dive into the vascular protocol. Stay disciplined. Follow for daily habit adjustments and technical breakdowns of human performance. Always consult your medical professional before starting any new biological protocol. Know your data. Vascular investigation terminated. Execution phase begins now. The road to recovery isn't a straight line. It's a series of technical habit adjustments. Keep pushing. Biology doesn't care about your comfort. It only cares about the signals you provide. Provide the right ones. This is the investigative truth that they don't want you to know. Use it wisely. Perform at your peak. Investigative deep dive complete. 6 minutes of raw biological data. Now, take action.
Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.